Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check that your monitor has an HDMI input or get a compatible adapter. Plug the HDMI into the Xbox HDMI out and the monitor HDMI in. Use a high-quality cable for 4K or 120Hz. Once done, power on the Xbox and monitor and make sure the controller is paired or has fresh batteries. You do this now because a proper physical connection and power state avoids signal and sync issues later. Once the picture appears, open Xbox settings and go to display and sound to match resolution and refresh rate to your monitor. This prevents overscan and motion issues. If your monitor supports HDR or VRR, enable those features for better color and smoother frame pacing, but test performance first. Then choose audio output, monitor speakers if available, optical or USB DAC, or headset via controller, to ensure sound syncs with video. You must align video and audio settings. Finally, fine-tune your setup. Use the monitor OSD to adjust color, sharpness, and scaling, and enable low latency or game mode to reduce input lag. Make sure Xbox and monitor firmware are up to date so features like HDR and VRR work correctly. If you hit a snag, no signal or flicker, power cycle both devices, reseat or swap the HDMI cable, and try another HDMI port or adapter. That step fixes most connection faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.